channel. Today I am going to do French snacks taste testing. And I have a couple of French snacks here. I have this Bon Mamo Tatin Poms. I don't know if it's Tatin or Tatan Poms. Okay, this is how it looks like. I have this Bon Mamo Coulon au chocolat. Coulon au chocolat. And Bon Mamo crème brûlée. This one, my son already opened it. It's Bon Mamo petit muffins au chocolat. And I have Pims, blue Pims. I have Saint Michel French donuts. I have Brossard cake. I think this is a fruit cake. What else? I have Orangina, belvita, petit déjeuner, red fruits, fruit rouge. And I have, this is really cool, Volvic strawberry natural flavor. This is water with strawberry flavor. And normal Volvic to wash after. And I just want to show you Bon Mamo strawberry preserve that we bought. My husband and my son loves this so much. Anyway, I will talk about it later. So let's get to tasting. First, I want to taste this because it's already open. Bon Mamo petit muffin. This is how it looks like. It's a bite size. It tastes good. I like it. I like French snacks. I think I need to drink water. It tastes like dark chocolate, sweet dark chocolate. But yeah, tastes good. Okay, next one. Let's try the Pims. I think 2 days ago or 5 days ago, my son and Ate did a haul of these French snacks, and the video will be posted after this or before this. I'm not yet sure, but we bought the strawberry and the orange flavor. The orange, my husband likes it, so he finished it already. So I bought 3 packs, 2 strawberry and 1 orange, and 1 pack is already gone, and this one is soon to be gone too. My son loves it so much. This is how it looks like. And there's this Pims, P-I-M-S here, chocolate, and this one is like a soft bread. I know now why my son loves this. In the middle, there's a filling. It's a strawberry filling. That's a strawberry. It tastes so good. This one is like a sponge cake. I like it. It's nice. Sugar rush! Sugar rush! Okay. It's so cold. Let's try all Bon Mamo products first. I have Bon Mamo Coulon au chocolat, and I think this is it's like this. They have 2 packs in. This is also what they so-called the chocolate lava. it has a chocolate inside. Let's open this. I think I cannot finish it. I have a small spoon here. This is how it looks like. Smells so good. Smells like dark chocolate. Ooh, wow! There's a chocolate inside, but because it's in the fridge, it's kind of not molten. But let's taste. Ang sarap. It tastes so good. It tastes good. I like this. I cannot finish it now, but I'll finish it later. I have Ziplocs here, so I'm gonna put it inside. Wow, it tastes really good. I wish you were here. I wish you're all here to taste it. It tastes so good. It reminds me of France. Every time I taste French snacks, it reminds me of Paris. Because mommy always buy us snacks. We always buy chocolates. Not chocolates, we don't really buy chocolates, but this kind of snacks with chocolates. Okay, next one is tarte aux pommes. I think this is like an apple pie in American, but in French, yeah, tarte aux pommes. In this pack, they have 2, and it's in a plastic container. Let's open. This is how it looks like. And it looks like that. These are the apples. It's with caramel. Caramel ombre. I don't know, ombre. One Mamo dessert. Wow. This is how it looks like. Okay, let's taste. I don't know how to call that. Tastes good. Tastes good. It is sweet, obviously because of the caramel, but it tastes good. Hindi ka mauumay. You're not going to feel like, oh, I don't want to eat anymore because it's too sweet. I don't think so. It tastes really good. The sweetness is super balanced for me. I don't know, because maybe I like sweets, but yeah. Okay, put this back in the Ziploc. Bon Mamo creme brulee. My son already kicked the first one. He already ate the other one. And this is how it looks like. This is a ramekin. It's a glass. You have a sugar here to put on top, and then you have a torch and you burn it for it to be crispy. But since I don't have a torch, we are going to skip that process. So let's open this. Wow, it smells vanilla, like legit vanilla. And it has vanilla bean. Not bean, but the seeds, vanilla seeds. If you can see those little black dots, that's the seeds. Okay, let's do this. It smells so good. You know, in Philippines, we call this leche flan, but this is kind of different than the leche flan. And we have the caramel under the pot or under the metallic stuff when we cook it. It's the sugar, but this one doesn't have. And it's not crispy just like this, like you put sugar on top and then you torch it. Sarap. tastes so good. It's super creamy. It is super smooth inside your mouth. It tastes so good. Okay. So So I researched about Bon Mamo, and Bon Mamo is French brand of jam, marmalade, compote, dessert, cakes, and biscuit. And the Bon Mamo brand was created by Andros in 1971 as a mass-produced product with a homemade feel. So the motif of the lead is Vichy. Vichy is where my mother-in-law came from in France. And why they say it's a motif of Vichy, in Vichy, every time you go buy something in the container, they have these patterns. And we bought this in Vichy, I think, when Sacha was 2 years old. So that means 2 years ago. And they have these candies, white candies. That's called pastilles. That's called pastis, something like that, like this. And we bought this pasty, the Vichy, and the taste of that candy, it's like a Mentos. You know, the white Mentos that has a hole in the middle. It's the same like that, but the taste is it tastes pasties. And I think, if I remember, pastis is an alcohol. I tasted it before. You mix it with water. Maybe you put the alcohol until here. The color is yellow, and then the water will be here. And you don't put any ice, or I don't know if you put ice or things like that. But my husband usually do that, and it tastes fresh. The taste is like this alcohol, if I am not mistaken. But that's what I remember. The taste of that candy tastes like pasties, so you feel fresh, and it's mentally and things like that, and I love it so much. So Vichy's pattern is like this. So Andros promotes Bon Mamo jam as being made with only 5 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. That is without high in fructose and corn syrups, and no additives and preservatives. So yeah, and if you can see the jam, it looks like a real jam, a homemade jam. So I think it's good. And by the way, compote is like an applesauce. An applesauce is a compote. And basically, compote is a fruits that is mixed with water and sugar, and you cook it with water and that sugar until it becomes the consistency of an applesauce. And in the medieval beliefs, that fruits cooked in water and syrup balances the humidity of the human body. So yeah, that's what I got from the internet. I just wanted to share it with you. So moving on, we are going to try the Saint Michel French donuts. Okay, Saint Michel, allez, Saint Michel. French biscuit since 1905. Fabrique made in France. Okay. This is how it looks like. My son also likes this one. Ooh. You open it and it looks like this. Ta-da! And let's taste it. It also tastes good. It is not dry. It is not oily. It's really good. I love this. Okay. I want to wash with this Volvic strawberry natural flavored water. Okay. Tastes like strawberry. What tastes good? I think it's nice if they have it in sparkling water. It will make a good summer drink. I like this too. Let's see, it says still natural mineral water drink with natural flavorings, sugar and sweetener. Ingredients: Volvic natural mineral water 97.5%, sugar 2.3%, natural strawberry flavoring with other flavoring, sweetener, and that's it. Sweetened with an extract from stevia leaf. Nice, and there's no artificial color. It's just white. Okay. I have this belvita. When we were in France, Sacha loves this one every morning, but instead of the red fruits, I think we bought him figs inside. And I will show you how it looks like. This is the packaging, very thin foil. It looks like this. That. It's nice. Looks like a bar, energy bar. It's really nice. It has 5 cereals in this bar. I show you what are those cereals because I cannot understand it's French. You have this, you have this, you have that, and you have that, and you have the fruits. Petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner is for breakfast. No additives, no preservatives, good source of fiber, source of calcium. It is convenient. It's good for vegetarians. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this for my breakfast or my snack later. And actually this belvita, they also have strawberry flavor. I think because I bought my son strawberry flavor. It's like they put a jam in the middle of the biscuit itself. They also have hazelnut chocolate flavor. It's the same. They put it inside and inside the middle of that biscuit. So my son loves it so much. So yes, that's the flavors that I saw existing. Next one, this cake is my son's favorite. It's called the Broussard cake, fruit cakes. Let's open these fruit cakes. So it's basically a loaf that's already been cut. Okay, I just took a little one. Nice, super moist. Nice. I remember in the Philippines we have this, but only every Christmas because it's kind of expensive. Fruit cake with alcohol. I don't know if this has alcohol. I don't think so. So yes, and these are the fruits inside. Grapes, cherries, some raisins. So yes, let me put this back. And last but not the least, my husband will get mad at me. My husband will be pissed because I am going to try Orangina. He loves this so much. Every time we're in France, we always buy this, and the tropic, I think it's called tropic or tropical. Let me finish this. I'm so full now. I don't know how can I finish this. By the way, this Orangina is light. There's another one that's not light, of course, but it tastes good. Tastes good. I like it. Tastes orange. Okay, one more. Okay guys, thank you very much for being with me in this taste testing. All the foods that I tasted, I'll give them a 10. I like it very much. I love it very much. Every time we go to France, I am always looking forward to taste different biscuits because it's just different. The taste is just different in every cookies and biscuit that we tried, and even the chocolates are really good, really amazing. I am very lucky to have an opportunity to taste all of these amazing products. So yeah, I am thankful and grateful. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and ring that bell for you to get notified in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!